Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be learning to disassemble and assemble a 3x3. Now the first step of disassembling is you put it on the floor like so, and then you want to turn the top layer 45 degrees so that this edge piece is over this edge piece. So it kind of looks like so. What you want to do is now put your thumb or whatever your finger underneath that edge piece, and if you just try to pull it out, it might break, so don't do that. What you want to do is you want to twist it 45 degrees and then carefully pull it out. That's how you do it. Let me just show you guys one more time. You have to carefully twist it 45 degrees and then pull it out. If you just try to pull it out, that it might break. So after you've got one piece out, all you want to do is just take the corner pieces just the same way. Now it's just easy, and take the rest of the cube apart. Now if it is too tight and you cannot get it out, all you want to do is just open the center piece and then just unscrew the screw or just loosen it a bit so that the pieces can come out. So after you've disassembled the core, you can just after you've disassembled the pieces, you can just unscrew it and core the lubricate the core and whatever you want to do. So yeah, and if you want lubricant, if you want to lubricate some of these pieces, you can also do that. But how do you assemble it? Now what you want to do is just put the pieces like so. Take one edge piece and then just put it, just put it like so to make one of the pieces. And what you want to do is just take another piece that corresponds to it. So this will be red and blue, and the red and blue edge like so. Take it and then just put it in. Now at the starting it might be a little wobbly because of if your core gets smaller, it might try to resist out, so just hold it on. What you want to do is take the corner piece, which is in my case white, blue and red, and just stick it in there just like so. Now if it isn't magnetic, then I would recommend that you tape the first layer after you do it, as it might fall apart. Next you want to do is take the green and red edge piece, right here I have the green and red edge piece, and I can just insert it like so to make kind of a, I don't know what shape you would call that, but you can do like so. And then you can take the corner piece corresponding here, which is the white, red and green piece, and you can just insert that in, and it should look like so. Next up we have the yellow and red. Now what you want to do is just take the yellow and red piece and insert it like so. And now we just take the next corner piece, which is the yellow, red and green piece, and just insert it. And now you got your first layer. If you want to tape it, then tape it right now. And now you can take one of the edge pieces, which is green and yellow in my case, and just insert it like so. And then next let's take the next edge piece, which is green and white, so we can insert that also. And then you can do that for the rest of the 4 pieces. Let me just show you. Blue and white, insert it, and then yellow and blue, so you can insert that also. Like so. And now you want to do the last layer. How you can do the last layer is take the one of the pieces and then just insert it, like twisting 45 degrees. Extend the core piece and then insert it twisting 45 degrees and just insert it. Sorry you guys can't see, but I'll show it next time. and it should looks like so. And take a corner piece, turn it 45 degrees again, and just insert it like so, and then just put it back. Now take the next piece, which is the orange and blue, and insert that edge piece by twisting it 45 degrees and inserting it. Next, take the corner piece and insert it. Like so, and then take the orange and yellow piece, which were in like so, and then the last three pieces are easy. Just take one corner piece and insert it, take the other corner piece and also insert it beside it, and then sorry guys, oops, and then just put it like so. And then now you want to take the third edge, the last edge piece, and just twist it 45 degrees and insert it, and there you go, your 3x3 is assembled. Now let me just show you a time lapse of the whole assembly. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, then hit the like button and subscribe down below. I'll see you guys next time.